Dear student, I would like to present audio-visual training kit for C language which was developed during 1994 to 1998. It's quite old experiment and most successful experiment. I hope you will like this adventure. In 1994, I have published my first book on programming language, namely The Hidden Treasure of C from BPB Publications. Today, more than 25,000 copies of this book are in circulation and available at hundreds of libraries throughout the world. I found that for providing the training of C language, the books have limitations. The multimedia and e-learning could be a better option. Thus, I have decided to develop an audio-visual training kit for C language using multimedia technology. During 1994 to 1998, I have worked day and night, refer hundreds of books on C language and launch C language audio-visual training kit, which contains 538 audio-visual screen recording, that is around 50 hours duration training kit. Using this training kit, I could train thousands of students and that too without my direct involvement. It's a teacherless classroom. In those days, I got unbelievable success. More than 1,500 students got the prestigious job in IT industry across the globe because of this training kit and because of these experiments. During 1994 to 1998, development of such audio-visual training kit was a very challenging task. I have faced a lot of difficulties such as hardware issues. Only 486 personal computers were available with 640 kilobyte primary memory and 384 kilobyte extended memory. I am saying kilobytes, neither I am saying MB or GB. Pentium was introduced in the market in 1997. So there were huge hardware limitations. In those days, very poor quality microphones were available in the market. The noise filtration was not available, and that's why, because of noise issue, I have discarded many recordings. Even soundproof environment was an issue. To store the data, only 1.44 MB floppy disk and 200 MB hard disks were available. We could not even dream CDs for permanent storage of data. Software issues. In 1994, the term multimedia was totally new. The e-learning is the application of multimedia. I mean, in 1994, the multimedia e-learning was in premature stage. Microsoft Camcorder was the only utility available for screen recording, which comes along with Visual Studio. And I used that MS Camcorder for recordings of this clip. The audio or visual editing facility was not available for editing AVI files created by MS Camcorder utility. It's all because typical Kodak of Microsoft. Just because of this reason, I have discarded around 5,000 hours of recordings. It's a huge discarding rate. The audio-visual synchronization was a major issue with MS Camcorder utility. While recording, after 3 minutes of recording, video recording lagged behind audio recording. If you focus on this horrible synchronization problem, then there is a possibility of technical or grammatical or pronunciation mistake and whole recording become useless. And that is why this huge high discarding rate. This is another reason why I have discarded 5,000 hours of recordings. The PowerPoint was the only easily available software for drawing the complex diagrams. On the top of this, in 1994, very limited facilities were available in older version of MS PowerPoint. During recording, I could not load multiple software because of memory limitations. In spite of all these difficulties, I had patiently recorded 538 clips. Till 2004, I used this training kit for training the students. But afterwards, due to hardware and software compatibility issues, I dumped this training kit. It remains idle for 16 years. Fortunately, IIIT Kottayam technical team, especially our technical officer, Mr. Siju, could resolve these technical issues and successfully unlock these clips. The technical team of IIIT Kottayam, Anjali, Vinaya, Binubabu have converted these clips into WMV format. Thus I am able to share this hidden treasure with you. Computer science is the most dynamic field. The absolution rate of technology is very high. But subjects such as programming languages, algorithm and data structure never change. That is, they are static component of computer science discipline. The audiovisual training kit developed in 1994 is still relevant. Thus, even today, I could share this wonderful, very old teaser with you in 2020. I hope this will help us for developing good coding culture across the nations. Jai Hind.